Since the start of my journey, I have always been a fighter. When I was 14, I immigrated from Nigeria to America. I just wanted to make my family proud.
Season is now complete. The Golden State Warriors are the 2015 NBA champions. Their first title in 40 years. And how sweet it must be.
When I first started playing basketball at the age of 16, I got cut from my high school team.
Festus Ezeli with the
And when I finally did make a team, my first basket was on my own net. So you see, the idea of making it to the NBA was laughable.
sensational defensive play. Ezeli.
Not long after winning my first NBA championship, I injured my knee. I underwent experimental surgery on my knee, and they told me I would never play again. They were wrong. You see, you can't control the challenges that life puts in front of you. But what you can control is how you face those challenges. What do I say to everyone who doubted me? Everyone that said it would be too hard, that I couldn't make it? What do I say to them? I say what I've always said. Just watch me.